I've never met a parent that does not want their child to be successful in school. They just don't always know how. So providing Magical Monday gave us an opportunity to form those connections and build relationships so that together we could help their child be successful.
We thought, hey, how can we get kids more involved with reading? How can we bring the community into our schools and it not feel like a school setting? And so that's when Magical Monday started.
Our Magical Monday program is held every Monday in the campus library. It is an after-school program from 3:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. We offer it consistently and we follow the school schedule. A memory that comes to mind that was very successful, we were making mums and garters. We had parents lined up waiting to enter the campus. It was truly amazing. It was very engaging, hands-on, and so many smiling faces at the same time.
The program started really small and it's really grown and progressed, and I feel like it's important to just engage with parents and family and make sure that their community feels welcome.
It's building relationships, it's building those connections, and that's what we want overall. That is the overall goal. We want our families to feel welcome. We know the statistics say the more that your families and parents are involved in school, the more successful their child will be. And so maybe it's not just making a mum or garter, maybe it's canvas painting, maybe it's making keepsakes for Christmas or Thanksgiving, but there's so many different opportunities that are available, and it's important because the success is endless.
The goal is for the families to feel welcome and engaging, and also offer them an opportunity that they may not be able to get outside of the community or on their own.
It's proven that if you have parent involvement and parent engagement, academics go up. And so if we can combine those two together, it's a win-win for us.
We also take feedback from students and ask them what they're interested in and start doing that. And it's important to be flexible, I think, as well, because maybe we do an activity or an event and we realize that it's not necessarily something that the students enjoy. I want the students to feel like it's their Magical Monday. It's important for the students and the family, and the parents even give us feedback as well.
It's definitely impacted our families in a very positive way. They are being involved more in the decision making at their child's campus. They feel more comfortable calling the school and asking questions, and they feel welcomed. It's really enhanced our school climate.
It's important, I feel like, because parents and families, they are excited about coming. They look forward to it, and they feel like the school is their home, like it is their place to come and that they're welcome here.